Hey guys, I'm Kevin, and I'm going to show you my fake YouTube play button. What I did is I made my side triangle, like on this side. The camera is making this side, but it's supposed to go this side. Even I created an oval, a sided oval like this side. And then I folded the line from the oval and to crumble it up to this shape. So this part over here is kind of broken over here because I was using too much marker, and then I accidentally smudged it all over my hand. Look at that smudge. So if you're a YouTuber and you have 10 million subscribers, you could get a YouTube play button, not from me obviously, but from YouTube. But I really like this play button that I made. I also made another one, but I didn't create a video about it. But look how the play button looks like. Oh, I look like a ninja. Ninja? Oh, a YouTube ninja. This is the diamond part. Look, the diamond button part. This is the diamond part, and this is the other diamond part with the triangle. I also have something else. It's just this ruler. It's just this ruler. I made it for this. See? It took like an hour to make this. Really epic. It looks so epic. It just fell. This is my YouTube play button. Bye bye. Camera's almost falling. But this is a really good play button. Comment down below if you love to get a play button. This is just a fake play button. But comment down below if you want a play button. And subscribe to this channel, like this video, turn on notifications on, and bye-bye.